Hello everyone, welcome to yet another session of Sahiti classes. This video is made on Indian Literary Awards. Here are some prestigious Indian Literary Awards. The first one is Bharatiya Gyanpith Award, second one is Sahitya Academy Award, third one is Saraswati Samman, this one is the Hindu Literary Prize, and the last one is the Crossword Book Award. Awards are given not only to honor the artist but also the hard work and dedication he or she has shown to produce a masterpiece. Every artist uses a form of art to give an expression to his or her thoughts and ideas and also to convey the same to others. In that context, words play an important role in impacting a person's outlook towards life. They have the power to take a person on a journey to a world that is different from their current reality. Literary awards are popular way of acknowledging meritorious works of literature and their authors. They often bring talented authors into spotlight and inspire people to read books. The awards mentioned in this video are some of the most prestigious ones in India and are conferred on significant works of literature in Indian languages. The first one is Gyanpith Award, which is considered as the highest literary award of India. It is conferred to those Indian citizens who have done some exemplary literature works in any of the official languages in India. This award is associated with a cash prize of rupees 11 lakhs and a bronze idol of goddess Saraswati. The Gyanpith Trust was established by Sahu Jain family, the publishers of Times of India newspaper in 1961. This trust is the authority which confers this prestigious award. First awardee is G. Shankar Kurup in 1965 for his Malayalam poetry collection named Udakkuzal, means the bamboo flute. Most recent awardee is Achyutan Namboothri in 2019 for his poetry collection. The second prestigious award is Sahitya Academy Award. The Sahitya Academy, India's national body of letters, has been giving awards for the best work in English since 1960. The award has only one category and may include a work of fiction, non-fiction, or even poetry and plays depending on the jury. It has been won for the categories like novel and short stories on 25 occasions, a collection of poetry on 9 occasions, and a work of drama once. Past winners include R.K. Narayan, Mulkraj Anand, Vikram Seth, Ram Guha, and Jerry Pinto. Since 2011, the Sahitya Academy has been awarding the Yuva Puraskar for writers under the age of 35 writing in English. Past winners include Raghu Karnad and Janice Parriott. The Sahitya Academy Bal Puraskar is given to the children's book in English. Next comes the Saraswati Samman. This award was established by KK Birla Foundation. This is provided for outstanding works in poetry in any of the 24 official languages of India. The award comes along with a cash prize of rupees 15 lakhs, a citation, and a plaque. Some notable poets who were conferred with this prestigious award are Harivansh Rai Bachchan, Vijay Tendulkar, Shankh Ghosh, Indira Parthasarathi, Sunil Gangopadhyaya, Veerappa Moili, Vasudev Mohi, and Sharan Kumar Limbale. Then comes Hindu Literary Prize. The Hindu Best Fiction Award, or the Hindu Literary Prize as it is popularly called, is a literary award sponsored by the Hindu Literary Review. One of the most respected literary prizes in India, this prize was founded in 2010 to commemorate 20 years of the Hindu Literary Review. From 2018, a non-fiction category was included along with the fiction category to recognize the extraordinary works of Indian writers in English and also for the translation of literature into other regional languages. Full-length novels and short stories are both eligible. Manu Joseph was the first winner of this award for his Serious Men. The Crossword Book Award is an Indian book award hosted by Crossword bookstores and their sponsors. This award not only recognize and reward good writing but also promote new books. It was first awarded in the year 1998 to Irwin Allen Seeley for his novel The Everest Hotel, A Calendar. Then the categories have slowly expanded to include works of translated fiction and non-fiction, and a separate category of popular awards which is decided solely on the basis of sales figure and public voting. Other winners of this prestigious award are Amitav Ghosh, Pankaj Mishra, Ruskin Bond, Sudha Murthy in different categories. There are many other state level awards as well, which I didn't include in this video, but surely will make a video on those awards as well. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.